Attention, this is a message from the U.S. government. Across the country there is currently 10 aggressors resembling the superhero Invincible that are in the United States. We are putting all our trust into the GDA. All emergency response units and superheroes are on standby. A National Guard is expected to come in at least 24 hours. Avoid and do not under any circumstances interact, go near, or try to assault these aggressors. We do not know if this is happening global. Another alert by the United Nations will be announced in a few hours once we know what's going on. For now, find shelter, avoid the threat, and may God be with you.